karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Aviator mig29 watch. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you like the MRP of this watch was 350 Omani Riyals. I got it from Al Filaj Watches. I got it in an offer and I paid 175 Omani Riyals for it. So I got almost 50% discount on this particular piece. The purchase link for this watch I will leave in the description section. So guys, now let us open it and let us take it out. So guys, here is our Aviator mig29 watch. So let me take it out. So here it is. So guys, as you can see, this is a big watch. This is a big watch, and the case size of this watch is about 47 mm, and this watch is heavy also. Like it weighs around 150 grams. It weighs around 150 grams. And if you look at the case, okay, if you look at the case shape, so it is inspired by a aircraft fuselage. Okay, you can see it is round in the center and it is curved on the edges. So guys, the case material is made up of stainless steel and it has rugged brushed finish. Okay, so it does not have that glossy finish. So the finish of this case is little rugged. Okay, so it is a brushed finish. Okay, and it comes with anti-glare sapphire crystal glass. Okay, and guys, this watch is powered by Ronda 5030 quartz crystal. So it is not an automatic watch, so it is a battery powered watch, and you can see the date on this watch is at 4 o'clock position. And guys, this watch, it offers about 100 meters water resistance, and the band material of this watch is made up of rubber, and it is 30 mm wide on the lugs and 20 mm wide on the edges. Now guys, the main features. Okay, so this watch, okay, it is Aviator mig29, and the dial of this watch is inspired by mig29 dashboard instrument panel. Okay, and this dial, okay, so it has this chronograph, it has stopwatch, all those things. Apart from this, okay, it also has inner rotary bezel, you can see. So there is another crown which I can rotate, and the bezel can be rotated, and using this we can perform different calculations using this bezel, rotary bezel functions, like average fuel left, then estimated time to arrival, and so on. Okay, and guys, this bezel, okay, so this bezel, okay, is inspired by E6B flight computer. Okay, so it is inspired by that, and using this you can perform the different calculations which you need. And guys, if you can look at the strap of this watch, so here this thing is written true airspeed indicator is written. So this is also written to give the homage to E6B flight computers. I hope you can see it. And guys, this watch, it comes with stainless steel back, okay, with mig29 engraved on it. Okay, and the back, it also has this 3 circles which are inspired by the radar. Okay, which are inspired by the radar. So guys, there are many more things in this watch which I would like to tell you, but soon those things will be covering in the detailed review of this watch. So guys, before we end this video, I would like to wear it so you can have an idea how it looks on the wrist. So guys, here it is. As I told you, it is a big watch. So this is Aviator mig29 watch. So guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more watch reviews, unboxing videos, and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.